Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret, where we journey to the world's most extraordinary landscapes and unravel the secrets that make them so unique. Today, we invite you to join us on an exploration of Laguna Colorada, Bolivia's spellbinding red salt lake. Nestled high in the remote Andean plateau, this vibrant natural wonder is a masterpiece painted by geology, biology, and time itself. From the very first glance, Laguna Colorada captivates with its surreal beauty. Stretching over 60 square kilometers, the lake's shimmering red waters are framed by rugged mountains, volcanic peaks, and wind-sculpted plains. The drone glides overhead, revealing the vastness of the Altiplano, a place where the sky seems impossibly wide, and the earth tells stories written in color and stone. But what makes Laguna Colorada so striking? Let's uncover the science behind its crimson hue and extraordinary ecosystem. Laguna Colorada's origins date back millions of years, shaped by the powerful forces of tectonic activity and volcanic eruptions. The Altiplano itself is a high plateau, formed as the Nazca and South American plates collided, pushing up the Andes into one of Earth's most dramatic mountain ranges. Volcanic eruptions scattered ash and minerals across the region, while glacial cycles carved valleys and left behind basins. In this harsh, high-altitude environment, salt lakes like Laguna Colorada emerged, fed by snowmelt, rainfall, and underground springs, but isolated from outflowing rivers. The lake's signature red color is a scientific marvel. Unlike typical lakes, Laguna Colorada is shallow, with an average depth of less than 1 meter. Its waters are highly saline and rich in minerals, creating a unique habitat where only the hardiest organisms survive. The redness comes from the proliferation of microscopic algae, specifically Dunaliella salina, which thrive in salty, sun-bathed conditions. These algae produce carotenoid pigments, natural chemicals that turn the water brilliant shades of red and orange. The intensity of the color shifts throughout the day and season, influenced by sunlight, temperature, and the concentration of minerals in algae. But the story doesn't end there. White borax islands dot the surface, contrasting sharply with the fiery waters. Borax, a mineral formed through the evaporation of saline water, crystallizes along the lake's edge and forms floating patches. These mineral deposits are a testament to the lake's ever-changing chemistry, shaped by cycles of evaporation and precipitation in this arid climate. Beyond its visual allure, Laguna Colorada is a living laboratory for natural phenomena. The surrounding landscape is shaped by wind and water, where ancient volcanoes rise in silent majesty, their slopes scarred by lava flows and erosion. Seasonal rains carve ephemeral streams that feed the lake, while freezing nights and scorching days create a dynamic environment. Local caves and rock formations tell stories of long-lost glaciers and the relentless power of nature. Here, you're standing on the roof of South America at more than 4,300 meters above sea level, where every breath of thin air reminds you of the extremes life can endure. Laguna Colorada is also a sanctuary for wildlife, especially the iconic Andean flamingos. 3 species, James's flamingo, Andean flamingo, and Chilean flamingo, gather here by the thousands. The algae that color the lake are also their primary food source, giving flamingos their distinctive pink plumage. These elegant birds wade through the shallow waters, feeding and nesting, their reflections mirrored in the colored lake. Other residents include Andean foxes, vicuñas, and a variety of migratory birds, each adapted to the harsh conditions of the high plateau. For travelers and adventurers, Laguna Colorada is a destination like no other. Getting here is a journey in itself. Most visitors arrive via the town of Uyuni, renowned for its vast salt flats. The drive to the lake takes you through the Eduardo Avaroa Andean Fauna National Reserve, a protected area that showcases the wild heart of Bolivia. The roads wind through volcanic landscapes, past geysers, hot springs, and otherworldly rock formations. Upon arrival, the lake's panoramic vistas greet you with an overwhelming sense of awe. Guided tours and treks allow you to explore the shoreline, observe flamingos up close, and marvel at the shifting colors from sunrise to sunset. Adventurous souls can hike nearby trails, discovering hidden valleys, wind-sculpted rocks, and ancient caves. The high-altitude environment makes every step a challenge, but the reward is a sense of connection to a place untouched by time. Camping near Laguna Colorada is an unforgettable experience. As night falls, the air grows crisp and the sky explodes with stars. Free from city lights, the Milky Way arcs overhead in dazzling clarity. The silence is profound, broken only by the calls of flamingos and the whisper of wind across the plain. Local guides share stories of the land, its legends, and the delicate balance that sustains life here. Immersing yourself in the culture of the Altiplano reveals even more layers of wonder. The indigenous communities who call this region home have a deep reverence for the land and its resources. Their traditions reflect centuries of coexistence with nature, from sustainable herding of llamas and alpacas to traditional crafts and cuisine. You can sample local dishes made from quinoa, tubers, and Andean grains, infused with flavors unique to high-altitude agriculture. Ecotourism plays a crucial role in preserving Laguna Colorada and its fragile ecosystem. Responsible travelers are encouraged to respect the natural environment, staying on designated paths, minimizing waste, and supporting conservation efforts. The reserve's rangers and biologists work tirelessly to protect wildlife, monitor water quality, and educate visitors about the science and stewardship behind this remarkable place. As you explore, take time to observe the details: a flamingo's slow stride through crimson waters, the intricate patterns of borax crystals, the wind-carved rocks that echo ancient forces. Each moment at Laguna Colorada is a reminder of Earth's power to create beauty through adversity, and of our responsibility to cherish and protect these wonders. Before we say goodbye, remember to support our journey of discovery. If you've enjoyed this exploration of Laguna Colorada, its geological origins, stunning wildlife, and the adventure that awaits, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. With every click, you help us bring more hidden treasures of the natural world to curious minds everywhere. Join us next time as we continue to seek out Earth's mysteries, blending science with adventure and uncovering the secrets that make our planet so astonishing. The journey is just beginning, and the wonders of nature are waiting to be revealed.